Hello South Africa. Today is Wednesday, April 20th, 2022 and here is news in a minute. Durban facing prolonged blackouts after substation explodes. A blaze broke out at the Mariannridge Major facility, Durban, just after 1900 hours on Tuesday, April 19th. The eThekwini Municipality stated that its technicians will soon look at whether electricity can be safely restored to areas affected by this. Technicians will be on the ground to assess the explosion and fire at a substation in Pinetown, Durban. The explosion reportedly had an impact on other substations in Waterfall, Westmead and Hillcrest. The explosion at the substation has led to electricity outages in Durban's inner west and southern areas. Reports state that a municipal official said emergency crews have doused the flames of the blaze. Assessors will make their way onto the site, once it is safe, to examine the damage. Once the damage has been assessed, they can determine whether or not it is possible to start restoring power to areas that have been affected. This is Leah for the South African.